If you're somebody that enjoys reading and you like making money, then I've got the video for you. That's right, make passive income in 2021 just by reading. I've got 3 websites for you today that are gonna pay you money simply for reading. The first 2 websites are gonna pay you just to open up emails, that's it. The third website is gonna pay you $500 to $5,000 per day just to read aloud. And if you go ahead and hit that like button right now and watch this video all the way till the end, I might have a 4th bonus website for you that's also gonna pay you $1,000 or more per day just to read. But first, make sure you subscribe to Online Moneymaker and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a thing. With that being said, let's get the video started right now. This first site is called Genie. This can be found at clicksgenie.com. And as you can see, you will get paid 42 cents for every email you read. Now, I know it says every email you read, but in reality, it's every email you open. You just have to open them. You do not have to read them. You make 42 cents, which may not sound like a lot, but considering the fact that if you open just 3, you've made over $1, and it doesn't take very long just to open them and close them. And we can see all the recent payouts that Genie has made to people all over the world. So this will work in your country, India, Egypt, Brazil, Singapore, everywhere around the globe. Genie is available to you. It's also available on your phone. Yes, you can download this to your phone, and when you're sitting around doing nothing, you can open some emails and make some money. Not only that, but they offer an affiliate program up to 5 levels deep. What that means is if you refer somebody, you're going to make commissions not only off them, but the next person they refer, and then the next person they refer, and then the next person they refer, and then the next person they refer. That's 5 levels deep of commissions you can make just by referring one person to Genie. And another reason we really like this site is the instant payouts. You don't have to wait until you build up a certain amount of money in your account to cash it out. You can cash out as soon as you make 1 cent, okay? And there's multiple ways to cash out, including, look at this right here, Bitcoin. Yes, you can cash out in Bitcoin. And the registration process is probably something you've seen before. It's the usual. Create a username, give them your email, give them the right email because that's how you're going to get paid. Password, address, male, female. Something interesting about this site that I've never seen before is they detect what country I'm coming from here, the United States. So I guess that doesn't really matter because this is available worldwide. One thing to consider, however, is that if you try to sign up for more than one account with Genie, you could get banned. However, I will tell you right now, the only reason they would catch you on that is number 1, trying to use the same email, which that would be stupid, and number 2, it's how you cash out your money. So if you're trying to cash out from 2 different emails into the same wallet, so to speak, that's how they're gonna bust you. So if you wanna set up more than one account, obviously create a new email, and then on one of your accounts, you cash it out into a Bitcoin wallet, and on the other account, you cash it out into a cash wallet. That's how you create more than one account. You're welcome. So the site is called Genie. It can be found at clicksgenie.com. They're going to pay you 42 cents just to, remember, open the email, not even read it. 42 cents just to open the email. clicksgenie.com. This next website I've got for you is also paying people instantly from all over the world just to open emails. And it's called Volutic. This can be found at volutic.com. This works much the same way as Genie, as in you get paid just to open up emails. And this can be done from anywhere, from any device. You can do this from your PC, tablet, or your mobile phone. So if you're sitting out there, let's say commuting to work or something, and you're just wasting time on your phone, you might as well be making money opening emails. Make it worth your time. These guys also have a multi-level affiliate program, but they go 6 deep, whereas Genie goes 5 deep. Volutic goes 6 deep. So that's the first person you refer, they refer somebody, and they refer somebody, so on and so forth. You're making money from the 5 people below you. That's called 6 levels of affiliation. And once again, we've got a very simple sign-up process. You've seen it before. This is what they all want, just a username, an email, and a password. Agree to the terms and conditions and register. And now you're getting paid again from somebody else to open up emails. But once again, the website is called Volutic, and this can be found at volutic.com. Okay, now I'm going to show you the website where you can make $1,000 to $5,000 per day just reading. And don't forget, at the end of this video, I'm going to have another one of those sites where you can also make $1,000 to $5,000 per day reading. You could make $10,000 per day just reading. Voices.com is a website where you can simply read aloud from a script and make thousands of dollars every day. And the best part is you do not have to have any professional recording equipment. You can do this straight from the microphone on your smartphone or from your laptop computer. They're looking for all kinds of people just to record their voices reading scripts, everything from animation to video games to movie trailers. You could be the next voice in that movie theater on the movie trailer before the movie starts. And they're looking for people of all nations and all languages. You can see the list right here. If you know how to read in any of these languages out loud, you should come to this site right away because this is for everybody. They're also looking for people to translate, so if you can translate from any of these languages into any of these languages, you should sign up today because you will be in demand, you will get a job, you will get paid a lot of money. They're also looking for all different types of accents. If you can speak in any of these accents, you will get hired on this site and get paid a lot of money. And it's where some of the biggest companies on the planet go to find people to do their voiceover work, like Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, the Discovery Channel, the Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, and Hulu. So to start exploring all the money-making opportunities that Voices.com has to offer, you first need to come up here to the sign up button and press that, and then you want to hit Find Work as Talent. Then you're just going to fill out this basic information, or feel free to sign up through your Google or Apple accounts. And then you'll be prompted to fill out just a little more information about yourself, such as your full name. And then in the overview section right here, if you have any additional skills, such as speaking a second language, you need to put that right here. To complete your profile, you need to add a sample of your voice, and you can do that right here by pressing add. You can just talk right into your computer to do this, or your smartphone. And I suggest just picking a short story or something that you can read from. Don't just start talking, have something to read so they know you do know how to read. Once all that is complete, you can come right here to the dashboard and hit jobs, and then click on hiring right here, and then you'll see all the job opportunities available to you, and you can start responding. And as you can see, some of these pay a lot of money, like $500, $1,500. Here's one that pays $5,000. That's just reading from an Air Force handbook. This is basically reading a book out loud. That's it, and you're gonna get paid big money to do it. And now it's time for the bonus site that I promised you, but before we get to that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. This site is called ACX. This can be found at acx.com. This site is strictly hiring people to do audiobooks. So you buy an audiobook from Amazon or iTunes, there's a voice on that. That's what they want to hire you to do. So this does pay a lot more money, but these jobs take a lot more time, anywhere from 2 to 7 hours. And this website is owned by Amazon, so you do need to create an Amazon account to get signed up to ACX if you do not have one already. Once you're in, once you've signed up, again, you will have to add a sample of your voice, and this should be between 1 and 5 minutes in length. Again, just pick up a book and start reading it on your phone or on your computer and hit add, and that's it. Then you can start exploring all the deals and all the ways to get paid to read audiobooks at acx.com. So now you've got 4 different websites that are going to pay you to read. 2 of them are going to pay you just for opening emails. The last 2 are going to pay you to read out loud. That's making money just to read, people. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the like button, turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.